And you don't have to do like, you can do 1 or 2 if you want to be darker. You can tap it more. It's really cool and pretty. Why is this different? Okay, now it's center now. And I'm going to add the Bordeaux on. Ooh. It looks good. So I'm gonna using a crystal clear.
Yes. So ladies, so those are feeling blue and Bordeaux.
And I need is crystal clear. Sorry, I opened it already. So just make sure you have a piece of paper so you will not gonna contaminate.
Yeah, seems like we all need a drink tonight.
You do?
Yeah, she's cheering for Friday.
Oh, nice.
TGIF. And people start
Oh,
yelling.
talking about that, okay? We need a drink unless we're seeing each other. But the bars in Florida shut down again already after 2 weeks open. So over here there are no bars, or I think club is closed and the bars is closed now. After just 2 weeks, they just opened it like 2 weeks ago. And now they close. So basically, every time you do fusion ink, it is no of the set design that you do, because they are not gonna look the same every single time. So I don't think we can go to get a drink in here. Like here in Florida and Pensacola, I think we're closed. I don't know. Maybe it's like whole entire Florida, I think.
Well, depending on how bad they're gonna get. But yeah, rivers is big, they close them.
Yeah.
Hey, life is not that Nancy can't hang, but she's just not gonna drink a lot. She's like a taser. She's like, quick sip, and that's it. You drink the rest.
Would you ask Sarah and Vicky wanna go to the show with those ladies? The 2 ladies? 1 sip? I'm down. Oh, this one is cool.
Nice.
It's okay, take away from my pink. I mean my red. Can add it more on.
No, this looks nice.
But I'm not gonna add it on because I'm gonna do something on this one.
Yeah, you still have 2 tone.
What should I do? My precision brush for the shooter white.
Yeah, so stick out like a sword out.
No, I would do silver then.
Sure.
Gel painting.
Really high contrast.
Silver gel painting.
See how nice it is.
Great, so we're gonna flash cure this one for 30 seconds. And let's see, two ways we can do. We put some, I don't know, the butterflies, we did it super cute already. What am I thinking? One of this I'm gonna do for the next nails. What my next nails is. I'm just wondering. Oh, my star, right there.
You gonna show me sketch?
No, my stars, rainbow stars.
Oh.
I have my rainbow star right here. And I am going to using two colors, the red and silver. Ah, white. Can you open that? I feel like I'm gonna spill that. So clumsy. All right. Let me catch some of them here so I can get it easier. All right, condensed glue gels. I am going to apply it on the top of the nails. Really thick density. So it is really easy, simple ways for you to encapsulating with, for all of you who using a gel polish. Or even if you do liquid gunpowder or dipping powders, you don't want to encapsulating with the clear powders and you want to able to change the designs every time the clients that come in, so you want to do the techniques right on the top. Keep sticking on my hand. And applies one coat of condensed glue gels. I'm gonna place my star. You can place this like spreading out randomly.
Ooh, I think you need some blue too.
I will put some blue on it. Hold on. You close this one for me. Thank you. One more. I'm using 3 colors of stars. All right, if you're happy with this, we are going to cure this one for like 60 seconds.